Welcome guys, in this video I'm gonna show you the list of all tricks and skill moves that you can find on this FIFA 23. Okay, so we have to enter for the practice arena, then tap on the options button and go for the skill moves help. If you don't know how to enter the practice arena, you can take a look on our YouTube channel. We got tutorial how to make it, and as you can see right here we got great description of each trick that we can make. And we got tricks for 1-star players, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And as you can see right here, all you have to do, just read the description for the trick that you are looking. For example, if you want to make like the elastico, as you can see that's the right button that we have to use. So let's try it. We are running in front of us, so write it down and the half of the wheel. And as you can see, it's working. So yeah, that's all for this video. That's the place where you can find all tricks and the skill moves on the FIFA 23. So that's all. See ya.